What is dropshipping? Hello everybody, my name is Stefano from Labelado and today we talk about dropshipping. This is a beginner's guide. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a word that we hear more often. But what is it exactly and how can you create a business from it? Today we will answer all of these questions. Dropshipping is a cost-effective way of starting a business with a low budget and quickly without needing any assets. The idea behind dropshipping is that you will create an online store or use one that already exists, like Amazon, to sell products without the need to manage inventory, delivery, etc. You are basically being an intermediary between the producer of that product and the final customer, and you will put a margin on each sale that you will do. Let's see together the pros and cons of drop shipping. Pros about drop shipping. Number one, simple business model. Drop shipping offers a very easy and simple to understand business model that you can start understanding without the need of any previous high-level education or business experience. Number two, low risk. If you don't sell, well, you don't own the products, you don't have a warehouse, etc. Therefore, you will not make any loss. Number three, low barrier of entry. No starting investment is required most of the time for inventory and the product itself. Just expenses in website and marketing setup. Cons about drop shipping. Number one, less control. Since you just sell the product, you don't have access to the actual warehouse of the supplier and you can't manage properly the deliveries and customer satisfaction. Number two, shipping times. Your supplier might be on the other side of the planet. You might incur in long shipping times. Number three, competitiveness. Since it has a low risk and low barrier of entry, this is a very competitive market to enter. Number four, reliance of suppliers. If the supplier decides to increase prices or for some reasons stop sending you products, you will have to deal with angry customers yourself. Where to find suppliers? So where do we start? We start by looking for places where to find suppliers. Usually a good place to start is Alibaba for bulk orders and AliExpress for smaller ventures. But if you know how to calculate your costs and margins, you can become very creative. You can look for items to resell from Etsy, eBay, or even locally with the right marketing strategy. Your number one priority is to find loyal suppliers, since they will be responsible for any problem that happens with the product and its quality. Remember to ask for samples when available. Finding a niche. This is where doing a marketing research is mandatory. You need to find your niche. The best niche that you can find are those products that people want, but there is yet not enough competition in the marketplace. Avoid choosing products that are too generic and are sold already by hundreds of other dropshippers, since you will face extreme competition and low margins, if any. Brand your packaging. There could be some of these suppliers that give you the choice to personalize packaging, labels, etc., or you can do it by yourself. This is the best opportunity to create a brand, something that your customers can recognize from the distance and something that you can advertise properly on social networks. As you are personalizing packaging, it is advised to put some effort in creating some amazing photos for your new products so that you will increase customers' conversion. Become proactive at dropshipping. If you want to succeed at dropshipping, you will need to diversify your products. Do various tests to see which products fit the market the best. You need to start having a mindset of change. Observe the market and analyze time by time when certain products are requested by festive events, by season, school items, etc. It is very likely that a product that may be selling well now will not be doing the same after. Remember that it is a competitive market. Other people are watching for products that sell, and as soon as they see an opportunity, they will join it and profits will drop. Be patient. Remember that even though you don't need previous business experience to start dropshipping, you will still need to learn through experience. It is a painful process and you will encounter failure along the way. Just be persistent and learn from what others are doing as well. Conclusion: are you ready to start your dropshipping business? Remember to select a proper niche and you will be seeing some effective results in no time. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos about e-commerce, packaging, and how to design your products. Share this video with your friends and colleagues, hit the like button, and as always, love you all. Ciao!